Hey, what's up guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 BHPS. BH means bunkhouse and the PS means pretty sweet. So let's check this out right here. We got our big, huge storage. This is probably the biggest storage that I've seen so far on a travel trailer. Really sizable. You also got power jacks right here. So with the click of a button, you can put your jacks on down. Pretty simple and easy. Of course, you got your awning here with those LED lights so you can hang out outside. You also have this outdoor kitchen, more cutting board space or prepping your vegetables or anything that you want on the outside, as well as the fridge here. We've got our solid steps, which are my favorite steps personally. Very sturdy, and they reach all the way to the ground. As you come in, I'm going to show you the closet first. You can put some shoes in there, your coats, or anything else in there. Really good space for storage. Love that. And like I said, this is a bunkhouse. So right when you come in, you got access to the bunks. These are a little bit of the wider bunks here. It's not the small little narrow ones. And the mattresses are really nice. I believe usually, here, let's see. Yeah, 200-pound load capacity right here. So if you're on the top bunk, you could totally do that. Storage on the bottom and some privacy curtains. Check out this bathroom that we got. I like that they put the sink in the corner, so they kind of fit everything in here, but it's actually pretty spacious given this whole 25 or give or take 3 more feet for the whole entire trailer. And here's a living space. Check this out. You got your TV backer location right here, so you can mount your TV, and while you're dining and hanging out and everyone's over here hanging out and having fun, you can totally be watching a TV right here. Does also come on this slide out. Yeah. So it gives you more living space up in here. There's 3 places for storage on the top and a pretty fancy light structure here. And this dinette is removable as well. There we go. We got more light in here. Now it looks cooler, huh? And then you also got storage on the bottom here on both sides of the dinette. Really nifty. More storage right here for your entertainment needs, as well as the radio, so you can bump some tunes while you're hanging out and watching TV and cooking dinner and all that type of stuff. Really nice countertops, as well as the sink. The stainless steel sink is really nice. It's pretty big. Don't feel like it's super small or anything like that. It's really nice, and you have the removable nozzle, so if you need to wash your dishes, you totally can just by removing this nozzle. Lots of places for storage, as well as the microwave and your standard 3-burner stove cooktop and the oven. Then you also got access to the bottom here if you need it. So if you want to access any plumbing or anything like that. And then more chances for storage on the side. Really nice rig, guys. It's a nice, simple trailer, but also able to host like a family and stuff like that. So it's quite nice. You got your temperature control right here, as well as an outlet and just your on and off lights. Let's go on in here in the bedroom. Check this out. This is actually the few units that have a king-size bed. And it's not one of those like really bad like king-size mattresses. It's actually a pretty, feels like Tempur-Pedic type material, honestly. Really nice. And you also got some storage on the bottom here. Just this little space, and you can put your shoes or anything or guns down here, either one. And then lots of chances for storage over here, guys. Seriously, really nice size bed. It's huge. I'm telling you, it's huge. Over here in the corner, you do have some more spaces for storage. So if you just pan around over here, you can put more stuff in here. It's also got the wardrobe rack in there as well. And if you wanted to put a TV in here, you totally can. It's right there on the side. And what's really also the last thing about this little room here, oh yeah, it does have electronic outlets on each side, so you can put your CPAP machines, your iPhone chargers, tablet chargers, anything like that to there. It does have the sliding door here, which is a really nice thing. In the bunkhouse, you know, usually with kids, you know, you got to have some privacy somehow, right? So that sliding door gives you that. And then you also got this, lastly, this pretty big size freezer and fridge. You got your 6 cubic fridge here. It's quite nice. Guys, if you have any questions about this rig or any other rigs on our lot, please feel free to give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. I would love to talk to you. Thanks, guys. Have a good rest of the day.